Hello everyone, I am Satya Kumar, Solution Head at ANT Video Networks. Today we are going to see unboxing video of Astra Pro Lite, which is a 4-channel recording and streaming device. Let's open the box and find out what's inside. Power supply, power cord, and finally we have Astra Pro box. So the unboxing is done now. You can see the product and accessories kept on the table. Let's move on to the features and application of this. Let's talk about the Astra Pro Lite interfaces first. Astra Pro Lite comes with HDMI input, USB input, also it supports IP input. So the camera which supports RTSP, you can connect maximum 4 cameras through RTSP IP, and we also supports line in and line out for audio with 48 volt phantom power microphone input as well, and also it supports RS-232. Also it comes with built-in 2 TB storage. With the multi-view layout on the Astra Pro Lite allows you to display multiple video sources simultaneously on a single screen. Astra Pro Lite allows simultaneous recording and streaming with individual channel recording for each video feed. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. Stay tuned for the full demonstration of Astra Pro Lite video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.